Hi everyone. Welcome to Daily English Flow.
Hello! We're so happy you're here today.
Today we have a fun topic for you.
Yes, we're learning how to order coffee in English.
Coffee shops are everywhere, right?
Exactly, so this is really useful.
If you travel or study in an English-speaking country, you'll need this.
And even at home, many cafes use English now.
So let's learn together.
We'll practice ordering, asking questions, and more.
Don't worry. We'll keep it simple and clear.
A 1 level, perfect for beginners.
Ready?
Let's start.
Okay, Anna. Before we role-play, let's preview some important words.
Yes, 16 cafe words. Listen carefully, everyone.
First word, coffee.
Coffee, the drink we all love.
Next, barista.
A barista is the person who makes your coffee.
Good. Now, menu.
The menu shows all the drinks and food.
Right. How about order?
Order means to ask for something. Like, I want to order a coffee.
Perfect. Next one, size.
Size, small, medium, or large.
Exactly. Now, latte.
A latte. It's coffee with a lot of milk.
I like lattes. Next, cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Coffee with milk and foam on top.
Nice. And espresso.
Espresso. Strong, small coffee. Very popular.
Yes. Now, americano.
Americano. Espresso with hot water.
Great. Let's say milk.
Milk. You can add milk to your coffee.
And sugar.
Sugar makes your coffee sweet.
Right. How about cup?
Cup. Your coffee comes in a cup.
Or sometimes, to-go cup.
Yes, if you want to take it with you.
Next word, receipt.
Receipt. The paper that shows what you paid.
And finally, counter.
Counter. The place where you order and pay.
Okay, 16 words. Everyone got them?
Don't worry if you didn't catch all of them. You'll hear them again.
All right, now let's do the fun part.
Role play time.
I'll be the customer first. Anna, you're the barista.
Got it. I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. I'm walking into the cafe now.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Cafe.
Good morning.
What can I get for you today?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee?
Oh, right. Do you have a latte?
Yes, we do. What size?
Medium, please.
Medium latte. Anything else?
Can I have some sugar?
Of course. Sugar is on the counter over there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem. For here or to go?
Sorry?
Do you want to drink it here or take it with you?
Oh, for here, please.
Perfect. That'll be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your name, please?
Louis. L-U-W-I-S.
Great. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
That was easy.
See? Not scary at all.
Now let's switch. You're the customer, I'm the barista.
Okay, my turn.
Hello! Welcome to Morning Brew Cafe.
Hi.
What would you like today?
I'd like, can I have a cappuccino?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Do you have any pastries?
Yes, we have muffins and croissants.
Oh, can I have a muffin?
Of course. Blueberry or chocolate?
Blueberry, please.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. That's $6.50.
Sorry, how much?
$6.50.
Oh, okay. Here.
Thank you. Can I have your name?
Anna. A-N-N-A.
Got it. We'll call you in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
Okay, that was fun.
Right? Ordering coffee is actually pretty simple.
Just a few key phrases and you're good.
Let me recap what we learned so far, everyone.
Yes, good idea.
First, When you enter, the barista usually says welcome or hello.
Right. They ask, "What can I get for you?"
And you say, I'd like a coffee, or can I have a latte?
Then they ask about the size.
Small, medium, or large.
They might ask, "Anything else?"
You can say yes or no thank you.
Then they ask, "For here or to go?"
That means do you want to stay or leave?
After that, they tell you the price.
You pay and give your name.
And wait for your coffee.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Let's practice more.
Actually, Anna, what if I want something special?
Special? Like what?
Like, what if I want no sugar or extra milk?
Oh, you just ask.
How?
You can say, "Can I have extra milk, please?"
Or, no sugar, please.
Exactly. Baristas are very helpful.
What if I don't know the English word?
You can point at the menu.
True.
Or say, "I'd like this one, please."
That works.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Right. Like, what's in a latte?
Or, "What do you recommend?"
Baristas are usually very nice.
Yes, they want to help you.
Okay, let's do one more quick role play.
Sure.
This time, I'll order something different.
Okay, I'm the barista again.
Let's go.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi. What's an Americano? Hi. Is it time to ask for a second? Is it separated from the desert? Hi. What's an Americano? Is it separated from the desert? Hi. What's an Americano? Is it separated from the desert? Hi. 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 Today is the same question.
It's espresso with hot water. It's strong but not too small.
Oh, can I have a large Americano, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Do you have almond milk?
Yes, we do. Would you like almond milk in your Americano?
No, actually. Yes. Wait. Just a little, please.
No problem. A little almond milk.
Thank you.
For here or to go?
To go.
Great. That's $4.75.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your name?
Louis.
Perfect. It'll be ready soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? I asked a question and it was fine.
Exactly. Asking questions is totally okay.
All right, everyone. Now let's practice some key phrases together.
Yes. Listen and repeat time.
We'll say a phrase and you repeat it.
Ready?
First phrase. I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Now you try. I'd like a coffee, please.
Great. Let's say it one more time.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect.
Next phrase. Can I have a medium latte?
Can I have a medium latte?
Your turn. Can I have a medium latte?
Nice. Again, everyone.
Can I have a medium latte?
Excellent.
Last phrase. For here, please.
For here, please.
Repeat after me. For here, please.
Good job. One more time.
For here, please.
Wonderful.
Okay, those are 3 super important phrases.
Use them every time you order coffee.
You'll sound very natural.
Absolutely.
Now, let's see if you are paying attention.
Quiz time.
Don't worry, it's easy. Just listen.
We'll ask 5 questions about today's episode.
Think about the answer, okay?
Here's the first question.
What does a barista do?
Think about it.
The barista makes your coffee.
That's right.
Okay, second question.
If you want to drink your coffee in the cafe, what do you say?
Remember?
You say, "For here, please."
Correct.
Third question.
What are the 3 sizes for coffee?
Do you remember?
Small, medium, and large.
Yes.
Fourth question.
What phrase can you use to order something?
We practiced this.
You can say, "I'd like," or "Can I have?"
Both are correct.
Last question.
Where do you usually find sugar at a cafe?
Think back.
On the counter.
Exactly.
Great job, everyone.
You really listened well.
Okay, we're almost at the end.
Let's review everything one more time.
Today we learned how to order coffee in English.
We practiced saying, I'd like, and can I have,
We learned 16 new vocabulary words.
like barista, latte, cappuccino, size, and more.
We did role plays at a cafe.
You heard how to order, ask questions, and pay.
Remember, don't be nervous.
Baristas are friendly and want to help you.
If you don't understand, just ask again.
It's okay to make mistakes.
That's how we learn.
You're doing great.
Next time you go to a cafe, try using today's phrases.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I have a medium latte?
For here or to go?
See? So easy.
You've got this.
Before we go, let's share one more tip.
Oh, yes, good idea.
When the barista asks for your name, speak clearly.
Sometimes they don't hear well because it's loud.
So, say your name slowly.
And if they write it wrong, it's okay.
It happens to everyone.
Just smile and enjoy your coffee.
Exactly.
Also, remember to say please and thank you.
Politeness is very important in English,
It makes the interaction nice for everyone.
and people appreciate it.
So always be polite.
All right, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Practice ordering coffee this week.
And come back next time for more English practice.
We have lots of fun topics coming up.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!
See you next time on Daily English Flow.